What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a tablet as you're doubled in your vehicle, and if you want to, you can do it like me. I have 4G unlimited, so I can play Spotify, Pandora, I can get on YouTube, whatever I want to do I can do on the road. And so I'm going to post all that you need either in the description, or I'll try to post the links in the video, but it's gonna be kind of hard to do it. I'm trying to figure out the best camera setup to do, because it's not too great in here. You know, 240s, they're small. So I'm gonna put you way over there, talk to you from over there, see what we can do. There we go. Alright, so that'll work. So I got this blank piece here that goes right here. I got this from LRB Speed, and it comes with a bottom piece to put your boot on. And I just made this little cubby back here. It's a regular doubled in, and I used some aluminum and I cut it out, JB welded it just real quick, you know. And I didn't do a very good job. This was so I can have room for the charger and stuff like that. But go ahead and run you through it real quick on how to install it. First thing, you can get these guys here, and basically what this is, it's a fuse tap, so you don't stuff your wire in the fuse block itself. This actually puts an extra fuse and then you tap it. It's a lot safer than what most of us do. And you can find these, you know, this whole pack on eBay for like, I think it was like $5. And then I have here, you can't really see it, but it's an Alpine KTP-445U. U is for universal. On this side, it has the RCA, or the red white cables for you can literally plug it into anything. And on this side here, I just followed the wiring diagram, connected it to the old harness, which was cut, so it was kind of a pain, but I just spliced it real fast. Nothing too crazy. And I can't find, I have a transformer. It's a little block, and that was about $5 or $10. And I have this wire here is going up into the transformer, way behind my gauges, and I have that tapped into ignition power. So when my gauges come on is when this starts charging, or it gets power here, and it basically converts it to DC to AC power, and it brings down the voltage, I believe, so that way it can charge tablets and stuff like that without blowing anything. Then I have this splitter here, and it's a 1 to 4, and I'm not using the other two, I'm just using 2 here. One is for the tablet, so when I turn on my ignition, the tablet's charging, and the other, I don't know if you can see here, this is a Bluetooth adapter, and it goes to my Megasquirt computer. It's a standalone, but if you have OBD2, you should be able to get an OBD2 to Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth to your car. And that's also hooked up to the ignition, so whenever I plug in the car, this gets power, so then I have Bluetooth power. And I'm gonna go ahead and shove all this as neat as possible back into the cubby hole. And I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit of room way back there. You know, I could put my hand back there. So that's why, pretty much why I went for this Alpine amp, because it's pretty small. It's 45 watts, and it's actually a lot better than when whoever installed the doubled in. And I'm actually only running the 2 front speakers. These are for the back, the rear. But I don't have speakers back there, so eventually I'll buy some nice speakers to run in the back. Let's get all these wires, try not to mess with the ground back there. Push it back. and then you just get an RCA adapter to a 3.5mm jack, and that's a headphone jack basically. And I have that running on this side, and I'll show you when I hook it up. It's relatively clean. It's not as crazy clean as I want it to be, but you know, for a drift car that never gets drifted because it's always broken, I'd say it's pretty decent. It's something I'm happy with. So, alright, so I wanted to run you back through this real quick. Basically, it's super simple. I have my amp, and that plugs in to my harness. You follow the wiring diagrams online or whatever you can find for your car. And this side of the amp is literally just a red-white cable, and that plugs into any tablet, any headphone jack capable device. And you can actually turn this into a Bluetooth. They have these go into a Bluetooth device, and you can Bluetooth to your tablet, so there's no wires. But I'm running a Bluetooth to my computer over here. You can't really see it, but that's in here, hidden in my glove box. And I can't have two Bluetooth devices connected, so that's why I do that. And then just for power, this is tapped into the radio fuse panel over there. So when I turn on ignition, it gets power, and that's what powers and charges my devices. And that's literally it. And I'll go ahead and continue installing, and I'll show you guys whenever I get finished. Alright, you can see I have it installed. It took a little while because I had to grind down here, and I actually messed up some of the paint there, so I'm gonna have to take it back out and paint it. But I'll go ahead and show you guys. Oh, you're still recording? Yeah. I'll go ahead and show you guys how it works. The two main things I'm going to use is, if you can see, MS Droid and Spotify. For the Droid, I haven't hooked it up yet, so let's go ahead and see. So that's connected there. I really wish I could shut up my old gauge. I'll probably have to record over it. But you can see here, so if you see the throttle position, I'm going to reach here to touch the throttle. See that? It's actually all live. Alright guys, pretty much finished up installing the tablet. I just got to run and get a different splitter because the splitter I got, for some reason the tablet says it's going to damage, the charger's going to damage it. So I'm going to get a new splitter, that way I can run the Bluetooth and charge the tablet. Thanks for watching the video. I'll try to get all the information on the parts that you'll need to do it, and besides like soldering and electrical tape or heat wrap, all the stuff. It's not really difficult at all. But yeah, that's about it. So subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos coming out. I'm gonna try to do more how-to videos, but it's definitely like I'm always just working so much and then I forget to do it, and so I went ahead and came back through to show you guys real quick. I didn't show you exactly how to do it, but as you can see, it's ridiculously easy, and it didn't cost too much. I just wanted to have the Bluetooth, that way I can have my ECU instead of buying more gauges, because I wanted a water temp gauge and one other gauge, but now I have pretty much any gauge at my disposal whenever I want, and so that's the main reason I want to do the tablet install. And actually the MS Droid, you can actually do some tuning on it. So I mean, I don't even have to have my laptop with me. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you want me to do more how-tos or what you want me to do the how-to on, I can run you guys through it and hopefully help you guys figure something out. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.